Understanding more about credit scores can help you take control of your finances. To help you learn more about credit scores, NHSIE will provide you with helpful information and advice. So what is a credit score? What is good credit? And how do you build credit? Well, a credit score is an assigned number that indicates your capacity to repay a loan. Credit scores can range from 300 at the lowest to 850 at the highest. Credit scores between 850 and 670 qualify as good scores. Scores from 669 to 580 are fair scores, and 579 to 300 are poor scores. You can get a free credit report by visiting annualcreditreport.com, and you can track your credit on creditkarma.com. So, if you have a low credit score, how do you rebuild your credit and raise your score? A few ways to build your credit include making regular deposits into your savings account, paying all of your bills on time, and keeping your debt low. If you want to continue learning how to build your credit and continue your financial education, visit nhsie.org for more information.